Hi everybody, welcome. Let's see what I'm up to today. Today I want to finalize the roof that we put on this little coupe that I turned into a convertible that I turned back into a coupe again. So that means strengthening this piece that I cut out on the four-door sedan to make this straight so the door can fit. Now I'm going to put a piece of channel in here to make it strong. Let's see how I go about that. Okay, let me start marking out my piece of channel. I guess about roughly here should be fine. Because you need something to just strengthen that roof and for the hood lining to be glued on and supported too. Let me cut that quickly. Okay, let me go and check inside the car because I know there's some trimming I need to do as well. Okay, first things first. First I have to trim there, then I have to trim here. Let me mark it out. First things first, let me trim this. Because see, this is where the old car had this pillar and came down. Let me trim this up to here about for a reason. I want to get that slight curve out and get it more straight for the door. Okay. Now that we've got that, just check my channel again. Right, that part I can make work and I can still have this part of the structure for the support. Let me just get this, eyeball it, about same as that. Let me mark it here and chop that. So now that I've got it more or less where it needs to be, let's mark this side of the channel so we can just cut it for this lip protruding in there. And then when we can have it under here, we can chop this and that and make everything fit together. Perfect. Not gonna run all the way to the vise. I'll just chop it here while I'm here. Let's see how this fits now. I need to maybe trim it a little bit more. Okay, not really. Now, next thing I must check is, does the door close when this is in place before I start tagging it in. And is there a gap between the door frame? Because we do need a gap between the door frame and the roof, especially for adjustability. Not that I need to adjust much more. Just check there. Yeah, that should be perfect. That should be quite right. Just lift it a little bit like that. Should be perfect then. Should be perfect. Okay. Just put my G-clamps on it to hold it where I want it, and then we can start. Now that I've got it more or less in its place, I can tag it in place further and tweak it a bit. This I'm gonna have to chop that out and bend this back so we can have the door frame, because the rubber runs on the outside, so it will be perfect if it's even a bit round. Quickly tag it. Upside down, here we go. Let's see. I want to line this and that. While I'm at it, and weld this part here as well before I start tweaking and bending, and I break it. Tag. Okay. Just tag it here. Just tag this in place, and another hammer. It's better. Okay. Check everything with the door closing before I continue. Don't want to cut it out again. Little bit up. I knew it. Ah, okay, that's just there. Okay, now that I established the door can close, I just need to grind this bit of welding and shape it a bit more. I can tag in the back. Okay, should be sufficient to hold it in place. And now, need to just chop this little lip out here, so I can bend it towards that and I can weld everything up. use my G clamp to pull it a bit better. There we go. Then I'll just shape this, beat on it, shape it, and pull it, tag it until I get my finished result, and the door should also be working perfectly. Okay, it's coming along. Just reason why I'm doing it with the welding is the heat helps it actually shape better and better faster. Basically, you can have an idea how it's gonna look. You just finish up here, and then I'll grind this nicely where I joined it, and I'll show you. Okay, now just finish here, then I can grind, and after grinding I can close the door and show everybody how it looks. That should be sturdy and sufficient. Let me quickly grind this up nicely so I can show everybody how it looks. You take a shortcut and cut it. Okay, let's have a looky. Want to bring this door up a bit, but there you go. It's not dressed perfectly yet. I'll dress it a bit later, but there you go. We've got our roof support in. I'll fix all the small little holes still and weld it up there. And that's that. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe so I can bring you more content on old cars like these. Rusted, abandoned bonfires.